vibing. You know I be on that time and light up, I'm firing. Dress it up, yeah, I be styling. Eat up the drip, she be dining. Straight to the top, she be climbing.
We the ones that they admire. All of these niggas expire. Ice of the boss and we hire. Raising the hood where it's ours. They hopping on ship like a pirate.
Ayy, ayy, driving the boat and I came for the loot and the treasure. These niggas be hating, do better. Dropping them ashes, done burn me a hole in my sweater. I'm stingy, I'm holding this cheddar.
Holding this cheese, living more better. Smoking these doobies with Xavier. We keep this shit gravy. Yeah, we too groovy, we keep it unruly. Know it's yours truly.
Smoke a big head, call it Stewie. Bad chick wanna do me. Ass thick and she coolie. She busted open like a Uzi. I busted, then I'm back to duty.
Call of Duty, I'm online with it. Took my time with it. Watch the operators, they be plotting shit. On the go with the gang and they rock with us. Everywhere that we go, we be popping up.
Yeah, we popular. Eyes on us like binocular. Yeah, they time is up. You could try your luck. Stay anonymous, but in God we trust.
In God we trust. All these niggas looking odd to us. Riding waves just like they ride the bus. Them pretty bitches wanna ride my nuts. The vibe is us. Sergio Tacchini eating fettuccine. Know they see me getting cake. I been out hustling at the dinner, baby. I'm a winner. I don't really need a break. Breaking my foot on your ass. Breaking the neck of these hoes when I'm bending the corner. Breaking my weed in the glass. Burning that loud and the neighbors done heard the aroma. Play a persona. She eating my dick till she fall in the coma. The card of the itis. I really got it off the muscle. Now they wanna tussle. Pussy niggas wanna fight us. Damn.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bull. Quick to say my piece, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, knowing damn well they really can't press us. I notated on leaflet. I'm really up a few levels with it. Like way off the way from them. Can't see me, you can't meddle with us. E&J in my Earl Grey hood bunched up with the cheese eggs and a dumb face. No stunner shade, still turned up. Been had it poppin' in broad day, that's Avi. Flower child from the sun rays, but I run fade, got a punch drunk. My Providence, they don't love us, they rather treat us like an animal. They wonder why we on aid. Escaping shit, I'm off the cannabis. Middle fingers in tandem, going tantrum. Yelling 12 with a big smile, young phantom. Hi mom, I'm on camera. Coming live from the mud pit, we don't take post beef for granted. I plan to keep it stress free, live and die young, I leave it on the canvases. Split up some with my better half, every day like it's a holiday. My shit on dumb flame till the wheels kill, I'm on road rage. Yeah. On dumb flame till the wheels fall, I'm on road rage.
I've been on the run. My third eye open. Been trying to kill emotion. Life in the slums. I've been on the run. My third eye open. Yeah.
Hey, fuck the ceiling, I've been living out the moon roof with it. I'm in tune with my senses, kill the tune with my sentence every time. Yeah, I've been in the mood, got a feeling. What we doing, got them fuming, they ain't used to it. Rely me to the pledge when I said it, no caps, and I'm butter till I feel black. And I still ride for it on a couple flats, I've been down bad, it bounce back. Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap.
Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap.
I've been on the run. My third eye open. Been trying to kill emotion. Yeah. Life in the slums.